Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Air Physio reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. And guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping site which is based in United States, United Kingdom and Canada, that deals with mucus clearance oscillating positive expiratory device which is used for the treatment of asthma and COPD. So you can take a look at the entire information related to Air Physio OPEP device. And apart from that, the price of this offering is too good to be true. Apart from that, guys, the company is also offering Air Physio antibacterial and antiviral air filter. So if you want to visit the product category list, then you need to visit the menu option button and you will be redirected to the product category list. You can also find out the option buy now and shop, guys, and you can take a look at the product category here. Apart from that, they're also offering ball bearing sports average low lung, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now guys, they have not provided the information related to payment. They have not given a particular payment section and shipping section as well. So let's explore the entire information by visiting the about us section. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Apart from that, this particular website has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access. So this is a good sign here. And talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 21st of July 2015. So guys, this website is an old website which define its legitimacy. Now let's explore the entire information by visiting the About Us page. So this is the About Us page of the site. You can see they have provided the information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. Guys, they have not provided the business owner name information, but yes, they have provided the entire information which is essential to define a website's legitimacy. So this is a good sign. Apart from that, they have provided the contact number on in the About Us page, which is a positive sign. Now talking about contact details of the site, you need to visit the Contact Us page, and here is the Contact Us page. They have provided the address, contact number and email address, which seems to be legit, guys. This is a positive sign that define its genuineness. Now talking about social media presence, guys, so this site has strong social media presence on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. We are not able to find out the social media icons on the screen because this is not the whole mobile friendly website. You can find out the social media icons when you will check out this website on your desktop. And apart from that, they have not provided any return or refund policy, guys. To comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, it will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Air Physio reviews, we have found 4.1 rating out of 5 on the other platforms. And one of the customers said, my father suffers from COPD and this COVID pandemic made it a lot worse. Since this machine has come with a filter I bought, major changes. Worth a buy for any sufferer. I have been seen the difference. So I'd highly recommend this. So this was a positive comment by a customer. However, we have found few comments which are negative, and a few of the customers are not satisfied with the quality of the product. So guys, it's totally up to you. 4.1 star rating out of 5 define its legitimacy, but yes, It's your choice. You can make a wise decision by exploring the site information before ordering anything. And apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 60%, which is really very good. It defines that this website is highly popular. So this is a good point. And yes, in the final conclusion, the website is a legit website, guys. It is a reputed brand, and we highly recommend you to check everything carefully before you decide to place any order. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another website review. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.